Hello, academic English students. This is just a quick video to help you know what you have to do for this week. This week you only have class Monday and Tuesday. So first you have your weekly agenda. This just tells you what you have to do this week. You have reminders, like there's no Zoom classes this week, but you can still ask Miss Campos or Miss Reyes for help if you need it. Winter break starts December 23rd, and you go back to online classes January 4th. Online, remember that. And then here I have written down the 4 things you need to do for this week. Seems like a lot, but it is not. So the first thing I want you to do is the to-be pretest. If you do not do this, you cannot go on to the next steps. So make sure to do this first. And when you click on it, it'll look like this. And it's only 10 questions on the to be verb that you have to answer. And I do not want you to worry about your test score. It is fine if you get a low score. It is great if you get a high score. I just want to see how you do with the to be verb, how much you know. So do not worry about your grade for that pretest. The next thing you have to do once you are done is go here to this video. And it's a short
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn
a short 2.5 minute video on the be verbs, just to help you out if you need a review or an introduction. Next, you go on to look at this, and it's just a little guide to tell you how to change the to be form depending on your subject. Singular, remember, one person. Plural, more than one. Except for you. Okay, and once you are done taking a look at that, your last thing is to go to this document. Open up. So you go to the link right here, click on it. Your school email. Sorry, my internet is a little bit slow. Okay. And it'll take you to this YouTube video, and you can see there are 13 questions for this video, and they're just on the to be verb, so you can get more practice. When you are done with this, go back, write your score from the quiz. How many did you get right? Did you get 10 right? 13? Write it down. And once you're done with this, you have to go here and answer which questions did you get wrong, if you got any wrong. So you can put, I got number 4, 9, and 11 wrong. So I could put answers here. I got questions 4, 9, 11 wrong. Okay? That's only if you got wrong questions right here. Write it. Which ones? from the video. And then once you are done with that, you submit it, and you are done. And you can just enjoy your winter break, like how it says here. Have a happy winter break. All right, remember, if you have any more questions, let me, Ms. Campos, or Ms. Reyes know. Bye.